Hi there, I'm Aylen, and this is Bruges, one of those cities that feels like a fairy tale, but with layers of history, legends, and a lot of beer. Bruges might look like a postcard, but it's full of little secrets you only notice if you slow down, or if someone tells you. So let me be that someone. In this video, I'm sharing real tips, tiny details, and spots that you will love.
So after 3 hours on a plane and 3 more on a train, I am finally in Bruges.
First tip, get the Bruges Museum Card. 13 attractions in one card. Totally worth it, especially if you love history but hate the ticket lines. Inside Saint Salvator Cathedral, you can drop 50 cents and suddenly the tower lights up. It's literally one of those wow moments. Trust me, it's priceless. Look down when you walk. See these tiny golden shells? They mark an ancient pilgrimage route that still passes through Bruges all the way to Santiago. Book your Belfry climb ahead of time. Visit to the bar with 1,200 beer bottles on the wall and a killer canal view. Even if you don't drink, it's iconic. Yellow signs on chocolate shops mean real handmade brewed chocolate. No yellow sign, then walk away. The tiny street in Bruges, basically an alley, but make it cute. Strike your best pose, like nobody's looking. If you want that dreamy crowd-free Bruges photo, wake up early. I promise it's worth it. Before the city wakes up, Bruges feels like it belongs only to you. Now let me show you the spots that make me fall in love with Bruges. Markt Square, the beating heart of the city. Busy, beautiful, unforgettable.
So the plan is to go up to Belfry. Belfort is in English, by the way. And yep, wish me good luck.
366 steps, burning legs, but insane views. I was lucky enough to be there when the bells rang. Bonifacius Bridge, the Fairytale bridge, especially early in the morning. With no crowds, you can shot the perfect photos. Double check both sides of the bridge. You will get amazing reflections on both sides. Lake of Love. It's quiet, dreamy, and perfect for slowing down. Golden Hand Canal. Golden lights, reflections, and almost no crowds. Hof, one of the calmest places in the city and over 700 years old. Bruges Beertje. Over 300 Belgian beers, this place is legendary. In Markt Square, you can find Bruges City Hall, one of the oldest city halls in all of Europe. right next to the Basilica of the Holy Blood, one of the most important churches in Bruges. It's said to hold a relic of Christ's blood. Fun fact, this is the world's first stock exchange.
This is one of my favorite spots, just right by the hospital in Bruges. Just amazing, the reflections and everything, the flowers, this is magical.
Sint-Janshospitaal, a 12th century hospital turned into a museum, home to masterpieces by Hans Memling, one of Bruges' greatest painters. The Church of Our Lady is home to something very special, Michelangelo's Madonna and Child. It is the only sculpture by Michelangelo that left Italy during his lifetime. This brewery is one of the last breweries still operating in the historical center. Yes, they literally plump beer under the city through pipelines. Only in Bruges, check the shop for souvenirs. A canal boat ride might sound touristy, but honestly, it's a must. It's one of the best ways to understand Bruges. You see hidden corners you would never find on foot. And my last advice will be, get lost. Soak in all the energy that this amazing city has to offer and enjoy as much as you can its amazing architecture. Save this video if you're planning a Bruges trip and tell me in the comments, beer, bridge or Belfort, which one first?